Hello, so today, I will show you an easy way to make a personalized keychain that you can cut out from wood or acrylic. Turn the layer into line mode. This will allow us to see the process and work easier. Now click on Offset Shapes. This will give us a nice clean outline of our project. Select the outline, and change it to the blue layer. This layer will be our cut line, so for now we can turn this layer off. This will give us a better view for the next step. So now we only select the main text, and we give it an outline the same as we did before. When we set the black layer back to fill, you will see that things are not good. We have two objects crossing over each other. This would give us a bad marking, so now we have to fix this. So, select both objects and we will use the Boolean to subtract the outline from the large letter F. This will solve the overlapped problem. And now we can turn the blue layer back on, and select it. Now we need to ungroup this layer, as we have a few bits that need to be removed. Just double check to make sure that no more unwanted segments are remaining. Now all that is needed is to connect the loop to the main cutout line. We will use the weld tool for this. After we can tidy up the joint between the loop and the main cutout line by using the radius tool, we will need to use a low number, as our keyring is just under 4 centimeters square. Okay, that's it. We are all done. Turn the black layer on to fill and check it out. So this was just a simple, quick and easy play around. So now start up Lightburn and come up with some really cool designs of your own. Simple items like personalized keyring sell well and are easy to make. Many thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe.